everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you saw from the start, is this yellow gem skull kind of thing for Halloween. So actually really simple, but it takes so long, so I appreciate you all watching this video because this actually took me a really long time. Also, I don't know what's happened to my voice today, but I sound like I should be on the radio, which I'm kind of liking. Okay, so first of all, I'm going in with a mixture of black paint and actually the black eyeshadow from the Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette. I'm just kind of really lightly drawing a skull type shape on my face. So I've just gone around my eyes with like a dark colour, and then I've gone in and kind of done this skull nose and the cheeks. So basically you want to hollow out also all kind of where you contour, and then you're kind of blending it into the mouth for the teeth area. So as you can see, I've done the shape and then I'm just blending it. I am not the best at drawing either, so honestly you don't have to be, but once you get that shape, just kind of blend it. You want to go dark on the outer corners and then blend softly into the inner corner of that mouth area. For the temples, I'm literally just going in with a bit of dark to kind of create a little bit more of a skull type shape. So for the gems, I'm going to whiz through this really quick because this took me like 2 hours. So yeah, I've just put on some, it's actually glitterati glue, which is from the, you know, like the festival headpieces. It's literally that, and it's actually such a good glue. But you could use spirit gum. However, you have to make sure it's the soluble one. Some of them don't come off that easily. So yeah, I'm literally just going in and applying this all over. A little tip as well is I've put a little bit of glue on my hand and I'm dipping in an eyeliner, like with the lid on, to my hand, and then I'm picking up the back of the stone and then pushing it on my head, and that really worked if you kind of can't get it with your fingers. So that is a little tip. So yeah, I'm just gonna whiz through this. You can see that I am literally going all the way around my face, which did take so long. So have patience, like it does look good at the end, and obviously you darken everything around it. So once I've done this and put all the stones in place, I'm going to go in and darken the area around my face. So this is literally around the skull areas, around my temples, around the top of my head, into the hairline. You want to go really far. This will just give you a really good blend. Obviously if you've got a lighter hair colour, this may be slightly difficult for, like, harder for you, so you may have to kind of make the shape yourself rather than going into your hairline. So this is on my face with the white colours and lines. I've literally just used the NYX Jumbo pen liner, and then this is actually a pigment from Primark, and yeah, so obviously it's quite cheap to do, it just takes a long time, and this is the finished look once you've darkened everything and finished all them kind of little bits that you need to darken. It really all comes together. I really hope you like this really fast tutorial for Halloween. Let me know if you recreate it. It is easy, but well, it's a little bit fiddly, but it just takes so long. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you again very soon. I've got more Halloween videos coming, so stay tuned. Bye.